Hey, what's going on, y'all? I'm about to show y'all how to stake on this Phantom wallet to earn more Solana. Solana. While you got it just sitting in your wallet. So what you want to do is you want to open up your wallet in the tab. If you got it pinned, and just click on Solana. Let it load. Okay, as you see, I already have a little bit of funds staked. Then you want to go here, the plus button, stake Solana. Now you can pretty much choose what validator you want to stake your Solana with. Really, it don't make no difference. I mean, they all look like they take a 10% fee. You might catch one that's lower than 10%. I think the one that I'm in right now is lower than 10%. But if I'm not mistaken, they can increase the fees on there while it's still staked or whatever. So, but yeah, you want to just choose one. So I'll just choose a random one. Enter. Then push stake. And that's the real simple way to stake Solana on your Phantom wallet. If you like the video, like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you got any questions about anything crypto related. Maybe I can help you out. And peace.